holds a space for you to stay in polished oak, but dreams won't frame. Each grain a whisper of my heart, crafted love, a work of art. The hinges sing a quiet tune, a melody beneath the moon. Your clothes, your scent, they linger there. In this wooden shrine beyond compare, customized for your embrace. Every corner holds your trace. My heart's design, my soul exposed in this wardrobe, love enclosed. The shelves hold secrets we have shared. The drawers know how much I've cared. A story carved in walnut lines, a testament to love that shines. The wood absorbs our